Hey, it's Frank here with 4D Honeybee, and I'm going to inspect this hive now. This is the BCBC hive, Beggars Can't Be Choosers. And it was given to me by 86 Off-Road. Derek is a big supporter, and he's really been helping to keep me afloat and keep me motivated this year. And he had a queen that was just not pleasant to work with. She was nasty, the hive was nasty, and she's on her third season. She's a yellow marked queen. So instead of squishing her and requeening the hive, he offered it to me because he knows I'm a glutton for punishment. So she's doing great. She had a nice brood. We checkerboarded her from the nuke into here. So let's see how she's doing. Not going to spend too much time on this, just want to see if there are any issues we should consider. Got the smoker going, but when I installed them, they were really pleasant. They weren't nasty at all. So I think Derek was just trying to scare me or something. If he was, it worked. Okay, this is a good number of bees there. They're coming along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kind of 8 frames propolized. And there's bees on 8 frames. So that's good, considering I put in 4 frames and checkerboarded them, so the math kind of works out, doesn't it? I have not smoked them yet, and I don't plan to until they give me reason to. So, good concentration of bees over here. Okay, yeah, we had a pollen patty there, that's why. I'm gonna put another one on there. I'll do it at the very end, I think. Run here, Wig, run. Okay, just starting up on this frame here. Lots of dark bees in this hive. Lots of black bees. Okay, lots of, get out of here. Lots of nectar in this frame, as you'd expect near the outside. Yeah, they're building it out. Good. And this is, so that was probably a frame that came with the box, because next to it is an empty frame and they are filling it out. It's got good weight to it. Oh yeah, they're doing a great job building this out. She could be laying in these frames already if she wants to. There she is. There's the queen. That's exactly what she's doing. See her right there? Good old girl. She's not huge. Maybe she's a Cornelian, who knows? But she's on this nice frame that's just being drawn out. I'm just going to put her back. I'm not going to check the next frame because I don't want to bother her. I'm going to go right to this frame just to see how they're working it. Yeah, they're drawing it out nice. Good. Should be laying here in no time. Yeah, another nice one. Good stuff. I'll pull this next frame, and then maybe that's it. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, nice brood on this frame. Hatching out. That's why the pattern is so kind of scrambled, because it's just kind of hatching out. More like from right to left it's hatching out, and from the middle out. Let's see the other side. Kind of the same deal here. Oh, you know what? That's pretty freshly capped, actually. The stuff on the right is freshly capped. You see how the cappings on the right are lighter than the ones on the left? It shows you that they're more freshly capped, and yeah, that makes sense because you see larvae over here. Can you see them? Top right. they're not ready to cap that yet. So this is a pretty fresh batch of brood that came in with the hive. I'm just going to check the next one, and maybe the next one. I don't know. Hard to say. Yeah, they're just starting to build this stuff out. Queen cup here, which I'm going to annihilate. Just because. And much the same on the next frame. The next frame looks like it might have some honey on it, so I'm just going to check on it. This next frame's heavy. Yeah, no, there's brood. So this is one that came in with the bees. Yeah, brood here, just being capped. Eggs, larvae at all stages. Good. Okay, this queen is doing great. Not going to bother this hive anymore. And I haven't smoked them at all. So they are happy with the change. And sometimes maybe that's what it takes. Like, so this hive, you know, was not happy. So I was saying that sometimes it takes a change of some kind of venue to change the attitude of the queen. So this queen was not very nice, not very happy, but she got reduced down to a 4-frame nuke, and now she's perfectly happy, and those bees are really well behaved. So I'm going to give them a pollen patty, and that's it for that inspection. The BCBC hive is doing well. Let's see what we got here. Leave these things in the sun, they tend to melt. Kind of tough to handle. I'm going to give them a full patty. Why not? They've been good girls. There you go, girls. Don't eat this all at once. Oh, man. This stuff is so messy. All right, so this hive is doing great. No concerns whatsoever. Healthy, happy queen. And let's move on to the next one. Thanks for joining me at 4D Honeybee.